Hello everyone, my name is Justin Dyson. I am in Visual Frameworks term 1403. This is my final project for Visual Frameworks, and it was by far the hardest. I ran into more issues with this project than I did with any of the others, and they all required virtually the same exact thing. The main problem was all of these different files. I have a different file for each part of my app. So I have the main app.js file, which just has my main window and navigation window. Then I have my main nav, which actually is this page here. I have my gallery .js file, which holds the gallery file. The profiles.js, which holds this tab. Favorites holds this tab, and the JSON .js file holds the JSON object that holds all of my data. So looking at my app, I finally got it to work properly. The gallery page pulls up the image, and it just cycles through. And you just keep clicking the change image, and it'll select an image at random and not repeating the same image twice. We'll go back to the profiles. That one I want to talk about more. The favorites, favorite characters. So what is your favorite Harry Potter character? And I chose to use the picker. So you scroll and you can pick your favorite character. So kind of neat. I actually like the picker. I'm probably going to utilize that a lot in whatever I make in the future. And then the profiles page. This one, I have two sections, each with a list of students and then professors. You click on one and it brings up a bio. So you get their image, you also get their wand, and then here you have a scroll view of their bio. So fairly simple. This page right here tripped me up more than anything else. I spent probably just as long trying to figure out how to make this page display this header up here than I spent on the entire project. And for some reason, I don't know why, but this is how I ended up fixing it. It all comes down to this one piece of code right here. So profiles window.open window, which is the bio window that I'm trying to open. This whole time I had, in this section right here, I had navwin.open window, which obviously doesn't work since navwin was created in my app.js file. So it took me forever to figure out that I have this as my current window, and if I go into my main nav, which is where I launched that current window from, and I add this window property, I can actually pass in my navigation window here, thus giving me the ability to open up this window here. So I didn't want to go through each bit of code, but that was my biggest problem and what trumped me more than anything. So I'm glad everything worked out. I literally have about 30 minutes to go before this is due. This was a tough one. I know I will never forget how to do this again. That's for sure. So thank you, and I look forward to using Titanium and JavaScript more in the future.